Hi there, I'm Kevin Benedict, SAP Mentor and Mobility Analyst, reporting live from Sapphire Now 2011. I'm here with Thorsten Stephan. Thank you for joining me today.
Yeah, thank you, Kevin. It's great meeting you again.
Yes, and so we just went through a keynote with Bill McDermott and Jim Snabe where they were talking all about some new announcements around mobility. I understand a whole lot of press releases were released today. And why don't you share with the audience today what's your title and role and responsibility, and what was announced today that you're excited about?
My pleasure to do so. Yeah, so my name is Thorsten Stephan, working in the mobile applications unit of SAP in Sybase. I'm responsible for the employee productivity applications with a special focus on any employee to mobilize them. And in that regard, I'm really happy to share what we have announced today. So first, obviously, starting with the platform. So we have announced the SAP 2.0. That includes the SDKs we have mentioned last year already. So that have a special focus on to speed up development, make it as easy as possible for the developers to design mobile applications, get them rapidly deployed, and use them basically, right? In addition to that, we have also announced a bunch of applications. So we have a clear focus on sales and service applications, like a new CRM field service applications, retail execution. In addition to that, we are also announcing applications around the employee productivity that I'm working on. So, and that especially has a focus on lightweight applications that you can easily consume. Like for employees, you don't need to go into training. They're very intuitive, native implemented, make use of the device features like cameras, voice, microphones, stuff like that. So they are crossing different LOBs like HR, financials, travel management, also sales. And they are really about that you can easily accelerate your daily work, so increase your productivity, be it like from a time capture perspective, going to request, employee request, and the corresponding manager approvals across like procurement, like shopping cart approvals. All the HR approvals are in there. You have your travel expense approvals. You see if there's a violation of the travel policies given. So you have all the information that you need to make the right decision on the mobile device with those kind of applications.
Very good. Now, one of the criticisms that Sybase received earlier is that it was pretty difficult to build an app on top of SAP. I understand there's something called an HTML5 container now.
That's correct, Kevin.
Talk to me about that. And what benefit? What is the benefit to companies and developers now?
Yeah, I mean, with the, as I said before, the SAP 2.0 contains the SDKs, also the HTML5 container. So with that tool, it's really easy for developers, designers to come up with new application development. So the HTML5 container, as you know, HTML5 does the native look and feel rendering per mobile application platform. And from that perspective, you can really make it very easy to define your application, your data modeling, and then have a native application look and feel out of the box, basically.
So how can a systems integrator benefit from the new SDK?
Yeah, for the SIs, it's now very, from an SI perspective, the end-to-end perspective is very important. How to do the mobile application process design, and how to integrate into the business suite. So from that perspective, the entire SAP SDKs helping him to focus on the mobile application UI, develop those, but also integrate easily to the business suite side. So from that, we have completed the stack to really do a fast and very good mobile application development from an end-to-end perspective.
Awesome. That's one I've been holding my breath looking for that for the last year, so that's wonderful. Of all the announcements that came out today, which one has you most excited?
I think overall it's very exciting the number of mobile applications that we are able to announce and to ship within this year. So we made the promises last year. We said we will deliver the SDK. We have delivered. We said we will deliver really a lot of mobile applications that are all very useful, and we have delivered. So from that perspective, I'm really proud of the move that SAP did in the mobile space.
Wonderful. Well, thank you very much for joining us today and sharing.
Thank you, Kevin.